Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So recently I finished reading The Graveyard Book by Neil Gaiman, and I think one of my favorite parts was the very end where there was a message from the author, and Neil Gaiman talked about how this book took him decades to write. And he went on to continue to talk about how the place that he was in when he started, he didn't have the life experiences that he needed to really tell this story. I thought that that was really cool. Sometimes we start manuscripts, we abandon them, we think maybe we'll come back to them later, put a lot of pressure on making them perfect and making them right. And it might not be that we're not the type of person that can write that story. It might just be that we need more time. So, let yourself write, let yourself create, let yourself write a first draft and then a second draft and then rewrite. But remember, you are going to tell dozens of stories that are incredible. You can't tell them all at the same time. Every story has a time and a place, and just follow your heart and to keep writing. I wanted to tie it together with a pretty bow, but all I want to say is believe in yourself, keep writing, and you never know what's going to happen to those previous ideas and those previous drafts. Happy storytelling. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!